Welcome to Own Product Pick, your go-to source for smart kitchen gadgets, honest reviews and healthy living tips. In today's video we're counting down the top 5 best non-toxic air fryers in 2025, perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy crispy, delicious meals without the harmful chemicals often found in traditional coatings. These air fryers are made with safe, non-toxic materials like stainless steel or ceramic, and they're designed to deliver top-notch performance while keeping your health a priority. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding the whole family, this list will help you choose the safest and most reliable air fryer for your kitchen. So if you're ready to cook cleaner and smarter, be sure to like, subscribe, and let's jump into the healthiest air fryer options of 2025. Number 5. Cuisinart Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven, PFOA-70. The Cuisinart PFOA-70 is a highly versatile 8-in-1 countertop appliance that combines air frying, baking, broiling, grilling, and more in a compact 0.6 cubic foot design. It's powerful, drawing 1800 watts and can handle a wide range of meals, from a 12-inch pizza to a 4-pound chicken. Its standout feature is the air fry function, which delivers crisp and evenly cooked results on favorites like fries, wings, and nuggets. The included grill/griddle plate adds unique cooking flexibility, and the convection settings help ensure even heat distribution. With simple dial controls, an interior light, and a sleek stainless steel finish, it's both user-friendly and attractive on the countertop. However, the PFOA-70 isn't without its flaws. The analog dials lack precision, making it hard to set exact times or temperatures, and the 60-minute timer may limit slow-cook recipes. Temperature regulation isn't perfect, sometimes overshooting the target and risking over-baking delicate items. Toasting can also be uneven with a full tray, and while the interior is non-stick, all accessories require hand washing, which may be inconvenient for regular users. Still, if you're looking for a space-saving appliance that can replace multiple kitchen tools, the PFOA-70 delivers excellent performance with a few manageable trade-offs. Number 4. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. The Ninja AF101 is a compact, versatile air fryer that packs impressive performance into a user-friendly design. With 4 cooking modes, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, and a wide temperature range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it handles everything from crispy fries to dehydrated fruit slices with ease. Its digital touch controls are intuitive, and the 4-quart ceramic-coated basket is both dishwasher-safe and big enough to cook around 2 pounds of food, making it ideal for small households. It preheats in just 3 minutes, delivering consistent, crunchy results with minimal oil. However, the AF101 does have a few trade-offs. It doesn't auto-pause when the basket is removed, requiring manual pausing for mid-cook stirring, something many users find inconvenient. Noise levels are comparable to a dishwasher, which might be noticeable in quieter kitchens. While Ninja markets the interior as ceramic-coated, some buyers report concerns over the actual material used, particularly regarding PTFE-based non-stick alternatives in newer batches. Despite these minor concerns, the Ninja AF101 remains a top-rated, budget-friendly air fryer praised for speed, ease of use, and consistently great-tasting results. Number 3. Cosori Turbo Blaze Air Fryer. The Cosori Turbo Blaze 6-quart air fryer is a top-value choice for everyday cooking, offering powerful and efficient performance in a sleek, space-saving design. Its standout feature is the DC motor with 5 adjustable fan speeds, including a high-powered turbo mode that delivers fast and crispy results across various cooking tasks: air frying, roasting, broiling, and baking. In real-world testing, it consistently produced evenly browned fries, wings, and vegetables faster than many similarly sized models. The 6-quart capacity is generous enough for family meals, and the angled touchscreen controls are responsive and user-friendly. Cleanup is also hassle-free, thanks to a dishwasher-safe non-stick basket. However, it's not without some drawbacks. Temperature consistency can fluctuate slightly during cooking, which might impact more delicate dishes, and it lacks certain conveniences like a shake reminder or a viewing window. The crisping tray center hole can also allow small foods to fall through. Despite these minor issues, the Turbo Blaze runs quietly, consumes less energy than a conventional oven, and offers 9 versatile cooking functions, including dehydrate, proof, reheat, and warm. Overall, it's an excellent pick for those looking for a reliable, family-sized air fryer with strong performance at a competitive price. Number 2. Instant Vortex Plus Clear Cook. The Instant Vortex Plus Clear Cook air fryer stands out with a smart, user-friendly design that combines high capacity with modern cooking tech. Its signature Clear Cook window and internal light allow you to monitor your food without pausing the cook cycle, eliminating guesswork and preventing heat loss. The 6-quart square basket offers generous space, perfect for family meals or larger batches, and the Even Crisp technology ensures crispy textures with up to 95% less oil. The digital control panel is sleek and intuitive, offering 6 cooking functions: air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, and dehydrate, along with customizable presets for favorite meals. Cleanup is simple too, thanks to dishwasher-safe non-stick components, though the viewing window may need occasional extra care. Despite its strengths, the Vortex Plus Clear Cook isn't without minor drawbacks. Some users have reported uneven browning on foods like fries and breaded vegetables, especially in large batches or when not rotated mid-cook. A few also noted a faint plastic smell during early uses, though this typically fades quickly. The odor erase filter helps minimize kitchen smells, but some find the replacement alerts a bit too frequent. Still, for most users, this air fryer strikes an excellent balance of convenience, cooking capacity, and visibility, making it a smart pick for busy home cooks who value functionality over perfection. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. The Ninja Air Fryer Max XL is a high-performance, easy-to-use appliance that delivers fast and crispy results with minimal effort. Its 5.5-quart ceramic-coated nonstick basket provides ample capacity for family meals, and the Max Crisp mode, reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures foods like fries, wings, and veggies cook quickly and evenly. With 7 cooking functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and Max Crisp, it's a versatile addition to any kitchen. The digital touchscreen interface is responsive and simple to use, allowing for precise temperature and time control. Cleanup is also hassle-free thanks to dishwasher-safe components and a slick ceramic finish that resists sticking. However, the Max XL isn't without a few drawbacks. Its round basket design limits how much food can be spread in a single layer, which may affect crisping when cooking large batches. Some users have noticed a slight plastic smell during initial uses, though this typically disappears after a few cooking cycles. The unit also gets very hot during operation, so delicate items can overcook if you're not careful with the settings. Lastly, its larger footprint may make it a tight fit in smaller kitchens. Still, for its powerful performance and ease of use, the Ninja Max XL remains a standout choice in the air fryer market. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in